Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to back up Shopify store, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are in Shopify, and then from here, what we can do to back up our store is that we can go into products, so we can also back up our products right here. And to do that, you would need to click on the export button right here, and then you can export this as a CSV file or a plain CSV file right here. In this way, you would have a file right here, a separate file, in order for you to have a backup. So you can use that if you ever have a new store, and then you can just upload it into your store, and then you would be able to import all of your products right here into that store. And the same goes for the customers right here. When you go into customers, you can also do that. But in my case, I don't have one, so I don't have the export button right here. But if you have customers right here, then you should be able to see that. And then you also have the other things right here. You also have the content, analytics, marketing, and so on right here. So you can also back up your theme or your website right here. So for example, you don't want to create another website right here. So what you can do is you can click on these three dots right here, and then you can click on download theme file. And this way, you would be able to import this into another Shopify account or whatsoever right here. And this would also serve as your backup in case you mess up something with your store right here. And yeah, you can also go to orders. It's basically the same thing right here. As long as you can find the export or download button, then you would be able to get a backup right here. But as you can see, I don't have one, so I can't see it yet. And then another one is that you can search for rewind, and you would have Shopify apps right here that would be able to back up your store. So if you think you need this app, then you can feel free to go here into the app store right here, and you can download some apps that would enable you to back up your store, like for example rewind backups right here. And yes, this is a paid app, but your money will be worth it in this one right here. So yeah, that is basically all the steps that you would need to take in order for you to back up your store. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.